Hope you're ready for another lovely phonics lesson. Right, as always, we're going to start with a song. So today's song is Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine that dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Beautiful. Right, now we're going to recap all of the sounds we have learnt so far so I can see what you can all remember. Do you remember this sound? Yep, this sound is ah, ah, ah. And what sound is this one? Beautiful. Our next sound. Do you remember this one? We learnt this one last week, didn't we? What about this one? Beautiful. This sound is S. And this one is T, 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 T. Amazing. What this sound, remember this one? D, 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 D. Got that one last week as well. And finally, what sound is this one? I, 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 I. Beautiful. So we are going to learn a new sound this week. Shall we have a look at our new sound? Does anyone think they recognise what sound this may be? Why don't I tell you a lovely sound story about this sound? So, I know that lots of us have been washing our hands lots and lots recently because we need to make sure we've got no germs. And when the water goes down the drain, it makes a g, g, g sound. I think that might be our new sound this week. Should we give it a try? G, g, g. Oh, when I press this sound, it makes a g sound. Shall we listen to the Jolly Phonics song for g, g, g? The water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, g, 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 g. Beautiful. Anyway, this action when we do g, 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 like water gurgling down the drain. Now let's practice writing some g, g, g sounds. Are you ready? I'm gonna go round like this. Flick down, make a long tail and flick g. Should do another one. Around like this. Down, a long tail, flick g. I'm going to do one more. You ready again? I'm going to go around, down, long flick, g. If you want to try your letter formation video and have a look and see how you can do it, that is on our YouTube and Google Classroom. Shall we try and write some g words? I think we can try and do that. Right, I'm going to think of a word. Right, the word I think we can write is pig. Pig. Shall we chop that up? P-I-G. Pig. Let's try chop it up again. P-I-G. Pig. What is the first sound we can hear? Let's have a think. P-I-G. Pig. Our first sound is p, p, p. And we know how to write a p, 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 don't we? I'm going to do a line down here. Go around here. Put my sound button on the bottom. P, p, p. What is the second sound in our word? Should we have p, I, g, p, I, g. I think our second sound is I, I, I. I. Should we try writing I? I'm going to do a line down, flick at the bottom, dot at the top, and our sound button. Amazing. Let's see what the third sound in our word is. Are we ready? P, I, G. P, I, G. Our third sound is G, 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 which is our new sound today. Around, down, a long tail, and our sound button on the bottom. We have written the word pig. She's on it out. P, I, G. Pig. Beautiful. Do we think we can try one more word? I think we can. Our next word is going to be tag. Tag. Let's chop that up. T-A-G. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. It's got three sounds again. Let's see. T-A-G. Tag. Let's see what the first sound is. Are you ready? T-A-G. Our first sound is t-t-t. So I'm going to go down, flick at the bottom, line across, and I have a fabulous t-t-t there. So let's think about what our second sound is. T-a-g. T-a-a-a. Our second sound is a-a-a. So I'm going to go around the apple, up the leaf, down the stem. There we go. Got t-a-g. Our last sound is g-g-g. Our new sound, should we give it a try? Let's go around, back up, down, flick at the bottom, and our sound button. Should we read it together? T-A-G. Tag. Amazing, beautiful. Well done, everyone. What a fantastic phonics lesson.